Welcome to TLH Patterns. In today's video, we're going to see how to crochet a lace wrap. This pattern uses only basic crochet stitches and it's very easy for beginners. This shawl is about 16 inches or 42 centimeters wide and 72 inches or 182 centimeters long. You'll need category 3 or light worsted weight yarn, approximately 750 to 800 meters. And I used 2 hooks for this because when you work with the same hook, the border is slightly wider than the body of the shawl. So for the border, I used a smaller hook that is 3.5 mm. And for the body of the shawl, I used a 4 mm hook. And also your shawl needs blocking, so don't skip blocking your shawl. Now let's start. I'm using the smaller hook, that is my 3.5 mm hook. Make a slip knot and work 93 chains. Now we are starting the first row. Skip 6 chains from the hook and work a double crochet in the 7th chain. Make 1 chain, skip the next chain and work a double crochet in the next chain. Make 1 chain, skip 1 chain and work double crochet in the next chain. Repeat this until the end of the row. We'll start the second row. Make 3 chains and turn. This will count as the first stitch. Now work a double crochet in the chain 1 space and then a double crochet in the next double crochet in the chain 1 space, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next chain 1 space. Repeat this across. You'll have 89 stitches. You'll work 1 double crochet into the last space and the last stitch at the top of the turning chains. Start row 3 with 4 chains. This will count as a double crochet and chain 1. And then you'll skip the next stitch and work a double crochet into the next stitch. Then chain 1, skip the next stitch and work double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip next stitch and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this across. We are starting the fourth row. Make 5 chains, turn and work a single crochet in the next double crochet. Make 5 chains, skip the next double crochet and into the next double crochet work a single crochet. Five chains, skip the next double crochet and work a single crochet in the next double crochet. 5 chains, skip the next double crochet and work a single crochet in the next double crochet. Repeat this across. Now we have the last space and the stitch left. Make 2 chains, skip the next chain and work a double crochet in the next chain. Next is row 5, chain 1 and turn and work a single crochet in the same space. Into the next chain 5 space, work 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. Single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and in the next chain 5 space work 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. Repeat this across. Single crochet in the next chain 5 space, 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the next chain 5 space. You'll finish the row with a single crochet in the last space. Start the sixth row with 6 chains. This will count as a double crochet and 3 chains. Then turn and work a single crochet in the chain 1 space. Then make 3 chains. Work a double crochet in the next single crochet between the shells. Now we'll start the repeats. Make 3 chains, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, 3 chains, double crochet in the next single crochet. Repeat this until the end of the row. Next is row 7. Start with 4 chains. This will count as a double crochet and chain 1. Now work a double crochet in the next chain 3 space. Chain 1. Double crochet in the next single crochet. Chain 1. Double crochet in the next chain 3 space. Chain 1. Double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 1. Double crochet in the next chain 3 space. Chain 1. Double crochet in a single crochet. Chain 1. Double crochet in the next chain 3 space. Chain 1 and double crochet in the next double crochet. Repeat this across until your last stitch. The number of chain 1 spaces will be 44. You'll be repeating rows 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 4 more times. Okay, here I have completed row 7. Next we'll be repeating row 2, which is the double crochet row. So you'll be working double crochet in every stitch and chain 1 space across. After repeating the rows 4 times, you'll repeat rows 2 to 5. So you'll be finishing with the shell stitch row. Now we're going to start working the body of the shawl. For that, you'll start from the other end. So you will turn it over and you'll start from the wrong side of your border. This is the first row of my border. I'm going to start from here, and also I'll be switching to the larger hook for the body. Insert hook in the third chain, which is the first stitch, and pull the yarn through, and you can secure it.